Look up, 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 see the stars. Do you ever wonder where you got that spark? Why you vibe with some and others feel out of touch? Why some days are on fire and others not so much? The vision in your eyes, the fire in your heart, the love that floats through the air, the sparks that come out of nowhere, and the shake, shake, shake that shakes you up, that throws your life upside down, eventually seeks to fill your cup. I feel the sky come alive. The gods are dancing in my mind. Gods are playing with my life. Possibilities everywhere. Connections beware. Lost, broken, then fixed. Living on fire and charge, and now on Netflix. Just another cycle of cosmic rundown. Turn down the lights, turn up the stars. I'm ready to explode on this ride. Shoot me across the sky. Earth can no longer contain me. I know the gods must have planned it this way. I hear you Pleiades and starseeds. I figured out you had to go to sleep to create your dreams, so that when you wake up they came alive. But now my dreams are awake. I can't be contained on this side. I don't wanna be grounded. I spend my whole life bounded. I am